The purpose of this video is to introduce the usage analysis feature of the iClick iTalk for the iPad, available in version 2.0. The purpose of this feature is to track the number of times an image has been clicked. As you know, when a picture is clicked, it appears on the sentence strip. So we'll return to the activity talk.
Core, want, getting, happy, happy,
And as you can see, the pictures appear on the sentence strip from the various categories.
hiking, fresh,
And we clear them and go back to the settings. To access this new feature, you will find a button under the word Edit with the symbol of a clock. When you click that, you will see some options. If you click Retrieve Usage, you will see a report on the student, and the range of dates by default is all dates. And the number of times that the images have been clicked appears underneath each image. You have more options, and that would be to change the range of dates. And so here we are just adjusting the calendar to select a series of different dates. And now the information reflects the dates that you have chosen on the calendar. You have these options, return to more options. By default, you have the buttons to see today and the number of times images were used today or yesterday. And then you can also return to all dates. Because the I show your usage refers to the instructor, we are going to return to that in a moment. But looking down, you can, instead of seeing all of the images, you can turn on Show Categories. And when you choose Retrieve Usage, now we're looking at the images of the categories for all dates. And again, you could change the range of dates if you needed to. We can also change the order in which they're viewed, from the default of most to least to most. And when we click Retrieve Usage, option for the top 10 results. And if you turn that on and Retrieve Usage, these are the top most clicked images for this student in the all dates range. If you click the Reset button, you are clearing backtracking of all the usage for this student. Now we would like to go back to the PDF option that you have. This is a wonderful option where if you click this, it immediately puts this report into the option to email it. The instructor could email it to themselves and then print it, or you could easily email this to the parents. And it goes as an attached PDF file, and this is an easy way to update the parents on the progress of their student. Finally, we're going to talk about Show Your Usage. Remember that this tool, iClick iTalk, can also be used by the instructor to communicate with students. And the instructor just clicks the yellow area at the top, and that will turn on a black bar. And now any image that is clicked on that core, or an image within that core, this can also be tracked. So we're going to turn that off and go back to our settings. And if we click the Usage Analysis tool, and now click Show Your Usage, Retrieve the Usage, these are the instructor's usage, whether it is by category or by the images within the category or the dates and so forth. All of those other options are available for the images used by the instructor. And this concludes this video on using the usage analysis feature of iClick iTalk.